Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute location on from anyone on your accounts on Snapchat, easy and quick. First choose any shot first here and hold on it like this, and here you will find location settings. Click on it and here just click like this and click OK, and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on mute location, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.